Hi guys, today you should have gone up to school to pick up your bag. This is my bag, but your bag has your name right here and a special note from Miss Tamplin. And then when you open your bag, you are going to see some different things. So I'll pull out what I have in here, and yours is going to look very close to mine. So I've got in my bag 3 different Ziploc bags. The first Ziploc bag we need to look at is this one right here. It has your name on it. Each one has your name on it. And it says supplies and reusable resources. So these are you're going to be using over and over again throughout the weeks that we are at home. I'll go ahead and we're going to open it and we'll see what's inside. So of course we have pencils. I see your little head in the video. We have our pencils. And then if one of them breaks, no worries, because I included a pencil sharpener. Guys, this is sharp, so please don't stick your fingers in the holes. Your pencil goes in it, and it will hurt your finger, so please don't put your finger in there. Hey, you can sharpen your pencil when you need to. This you open up over the trash can. I would ask Mommy and Daddy or another grown-up that you're staying with, I would ask them to help you with the pencil sharpener. You've also got a big pink eraser, and you have 3 packages of crayons. Now these are the small crayon packs, so they only have 4 crayons, 4 colors in them, but we can make them work. Okay. Now you'll see a packet, one of our math warm-up packets. Guys, we've done this in class before. We know how to do it. You do 1 day at a time. So we're all going to start on day 1. It says day 1 up here at the top. You do your 4 questions, and then that's it for the day. You fold it back to the front, and you fold it back up. Guys, it needs to go right back in your reusable resources bag, or you're going to lose it. It's got 10 days worth of activities in there. That means that it is for week 2 and week 3, and that is written on there as well, so you don't get confused. The last thing that you are going to see in your bag, the last things, you've got a 100s chart that we're going to follow along when we count during calendar time this week. And you've got an alphabet chart. When we sing Who Let the Letters Out and we do our foundation sound cards, you can follow along right here on your foundation's alphabet chart. You can see that it's got our letters. It's got the foundation's keyword, and don't forget your hand motion with each one of them. On the bottom, it's got your digraphs, WH, CH, SH, TH, and then CK. Okay, these are laminated. So if you have a Clorox wipe at home, feel free to wipe it down after you're done using it. We're going to be using these for at least 2 weeks. So let's keep all the germs off of them. Wipe them down if you need to. Remember, none of these supplies go in your mouth. I have some friends that like to chew on the pencil erasers or the pencils, some of the crayons. Please don't do that. That could get germs into your body and make you sick. You also only have a limited amount of supplies, so we have to take really good care of them. Okay, we're going to look into our next bag. The next bag that you have is labeled week 2. It's got your name again, and it says week 2. Everything you need to complete the lessons are in here in week 2. You just go down the lesson plan and everything's in here. You've got your fairy tale easy readers in here. This is what you're going to be reading to me on Friday. You're going to pick your favorite one. You're going to read it to me Friday, whichever one was your favorite. Okay, you have also got 2 blank pages. You have got the Little Red Riding Hood one. I actually already did mine, so mine's not in here, but you can see it in the background. And you have a Little Red Hen directed drawing that we're going to do later. So you've got your white piece of paper for that, and I've already put your name on it. You have got folded up a packet for phonics, week 2. This is for days Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, it's got everything that we're going to be doing, every single worksheet. And guys, there's going to be a video link on Blooms that shows you how to do them. I'm going to do the activities with you. Okay. Same goes for math. It looks the exact same. It's labeled. It says math week 2, Tuesday through Friday, and it has your name on it. Okay, every single paper we are going to do together, there will be a link on Blooms. I will tell you exactly what to do on all of these math papers and all of these phonics papers. Okay? I also have some a really good social studies magazine for us this week. This one is actually read by a special guest. So check that out later today and let me know what you guys think. You do not have to do the back of this. That's up to you. I'm not asking you to do the back of this. Okay, when you are done with your work, it all needs to go back in here. Don't lose any of your work. Keep it nice and organized and zip it right back up when you're done. Put it right back into your big school bag. Okay. The last thing in there, the last bag is week 3. It's got your name, says week 3. The color is pink. This is for week 3. Okay. Again, you will see packets labeled. Phonics week 3, and it'll have your name on it. I'm going to do every single one of them with you. There will be a link for a video every single time we do one of these worksheets. Same for math. We're going to finish up heaviest to lightest, and then we're going to move into capacity at the end of the week. So make sure you're checking out the video links. Some of these math activities, you have to have the video to do them. For example, this one is measurement weight. It says how many cubes? Well, Miss Tamplin has our balance scale at her house. You may not have one of these at your house, so you're going to have to check Blooms and check out the video so you know just how many cubes our pencil weighed. We're going to do it all together. So you got to make sure you're checking. This one is another one, the 3 bears. You have to have the video to go along with it. That way you know how to answer these questions. Okay, some other things that you'll see in your bag. Oh, I don't think I finished this one yet. I got ahead of myself. We also have science and social studies in this bag. We've got two social studies magazines. I've got the big ones. You've got the small ones. I will let you know. I have not even looked at the questions on the back of these. So I will let you know in the video and the day that they're assigned if I want you guys to answer the back. It is what is history and timelines. for social studies for week 3. Now, so we're going to start on week 3 talking about weather. Every day we're going to meet and we're going to do a weather watchers and we're going to do a weather report. And this is your weather journal for week 3. You're going to do the day of the week and you're going to check what the weather looks like. I'll give you guys more details on that later. But you do have a science activity in there as well. Remember, when you're done, it all goes back in your bag. Keep it nice and organized for yourself. Okay. Some other things you will see in your bag. These things are not in a Ziploc bag. They would not fit. You may have a journal. You may have your Foundations journal in there. Let's see what mine is. You will have a journal. It might look like this, or it might look like this, or it might be a tall orange one. But you'll have some type of journal. I noticed that a lot of us were running out of room, so I went ahead and I sent some journals home. That way you have plenty to write with and write on. I think that is it for now. If you guys have any questions, remember you can email me or message me on Blooms and I'll respond as quickly as possible. You guys have a great day.